We're taught that courage is loud, a roar, a grand, heroic gesture that changes everything in an instant. But that's not the whole story. True courage often lives in the quiet moments, unseen and uncelebrated. It's not the absence of fear, but the decision to move forward even when your hands are shaking. It's the soft, steady voice inside that whispers, "Keep going," when the world is telling you to stop. Sometimes, courage is closing a laptop after a long, fruitless day at work, and trusting that a fresh perspective will come with the morning sun. It's looking at a page full of crossed-out words, a canvas that didn't work out, or a project that failed, and quietly saying to yourself, "I'll try again tomorrow." It's the grace you give yourself to fail, to learn, and to begin again without judgment. You don't have to have it all figured out. The path doesn't need to be clear. Courage is found in the simple, humble act of showing up. It's lacing up your shoes when you'd rather stay in bed. It's opening the book to study for the test that feels impossible. It's sitting down to face the blank page. You just have to keep showing up for yourself, for your goals, for the person you are striving to become. Each small effort adds up, compounding over time into something strong and substantial. One more try, one more step, one more patient answer. That's what courage is. Not just in stadiums, but in classrooms, in offices, in our homes. Every small, consistent action is a vote for the future you want to create. It's a quiet declaration of your own resilience. Courage means standing up one more time when you fall. It's the shaky breath you take before making that difficult phone call. It's the vulnerability of asking for help when you feel you have no strength. It's choosing to be kind to yourself on the days when you feel unsuccessful. This quiet strength, this gentle persistence, this is the courage that defines us. It's the courage to see.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.